What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm once again joined by NEWFishing. I actually bought a new baitcaster combo today. It is the Bass Pro Shop branded Mega Cast. I got it for $46, which in my terms is a total steal. This is a 7-foot medium heavy fast action rod. I really love it. Can't wait to try it out. So let's go. Alright, so got everything all figured out. First cast. That didn't go very far.
You can adjust the brakes to make it go farther.
Okay.
And the
Yeah, I'm gonna adjust these brakes. Let's go again. Yeah, that's much farther. Okay. Had a huge bass. Absolutely giant bass. Like wake after it. And I saw the shine. That was a monster. Oh no! Got off. He hit right at the bank. How did he get off? That makes no sense. Oh yeah. That's a fish. Yep. That's a fish. Come here. Ooh, that's good. All right, get out of there. All right. It's my first fish on this spinner bait. Cast right into the shade. Just like that. That's a solid fish right there. Pushing 1 pound right there. Oh, he's a fatty. Nice. All right. Sweet. Very, very strong rod. I love it. Oh, phew. That was a little dangerous. Could have got stuck on a tree or something. Fish love shade during the summer. So I'm just gonna keep tossing in there. All right, I am back and I'm ready to catch this fish that did not get hooked last time. I have a mouse on, so I'm gonna fish some top water. Hopefully all goes to plan. Oh! All right. We had a bite. Nice. Gonna switch it up here. These fish, they're a little tricky. Can't really get one on the mouse right now. So, gonna switch to the creature lure. Oh, got one. Oh yeah. Yes. No, he fell. Calm down, buddy. I got you.
Ryan.
There he is. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Is he small?
Yeah, he is kind of small.
Oh, okay.
All right, sweet. See you. Oh, he did break me off though. He broke me off. Like, my whole thing fell off.
What do you mean?
Like my hook disappeared.
Oh, you using that?
Sweet. Good morning, everyone. What is up? It is currently 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm joined by my friend, NEWFishing, and it's 55 degrees out here. It's quite chilly. The whole reason we woke up this early was to do some topwater fishing. I don't know if this temperature is gonna allow it, but we're always gonna give it a try. On the water right now, we see a lot of water vapor. So I always have really good luck with topwater when I see some water vapor. So I'm excited to get it. Let's go. Yo, look at that turtle. It's chasing mine. No way. Oh, that's sweet.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dude.
If I caught a turtle, that wouldn't have been good.
That would have sucked. You have no idea how much that would have sucked.
I saw a giant wake behind it, and I was like, what is that? Duck. Oh. Oh, got one.
Oh, man.
Yes. First one of the day.
Sweet.
Oh no. He didn't get it in the mouth.
Oh.
He got it on the back of the head.
At least you got it.
Oh, calm down, buddy. Hey. Don't move. Makes it harder for me to remove it for you. And just pop it out. Like so. And there we go. See you, buddy. Gonna try and catch a big fish. That's the plan. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Got one. Yes. Sweet. Woo. Second fish of the day on the Pit Boss. Havoc Pit Boss. That is the way to go. Oh, got one. Oh, I saw him too. He didn't grip on. Here, Nate, come fish here. Well, the sun has come up and the fish have stopped biting, so we are gonna head home. We got a ton of bites today, but we didn't capitalize. We're gonna totally do better next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, fish for the adventure.